Hi, we're here out on the job. We're going to be highlighting using our Firebird Compact 20 heater. Not only do we use dehumidifiers and fans, but in certain jobs we use these heaters to suck out the moisture from our wet materials. Situation at this job is upstairs. Right above us is a laundry room where we had an overflow which affected the ceiling here. It's a tile floor upstairs, and our goal is to dry out the tile floor. So down here you can see the machine, the heater, has this ducting that we set up right underneath where the floor is wet. We're blowing heat directly up there. This heater also has a thermostat, which we have set at around 90. So we're applying heat from below, and then also from the top in the laundry room. Let's go upstairs and look at the laundry room. Okay, here we are on the main level of the house. This is the laundry room that was affected, and this is the tile floor that we're drying out. Remember, we're heating it up from below, and then also in this room. This room, the door was shut overnight with our dehum and our fan going, and it's pretty toasty in there. So this is a great example of drying out from top and the bottom.